my channel. Welcome to a sit down video after so long. मैं इतने टाइम से I think vlogs and ये सब भी post कर रही थी. So it's been a hot minute since I sat down with you and I've not done a haul review type of video in a very long time as well. The other day I was at the mall and मैंने ना Daiso का store देखा. So I have the bag. This is Daiso Japan. I'm sorry if I'm just like staring at myself. I think my makeup looks so stunning today. Like I took my time doing my makeup and I really love this lip combo that I'm wearing. And I always get questions on the lipstick and the shade and everything. So I'm going to mention it quickly here. I have these lipstick stacks from Kiro. So these are the Kiro 4Play Ultra Matte Lip Stacks. And I thought that is such a good word play, and these are the ultimate 4-shade lipstick combination. So it comes in two different variations. One is this, and this is called the Supreme Quad. Now the Supreme Quad has one of my favorite lipstick shades ever, and that is Nude Lily, and that is also a shade from the Kiro Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick range. The Supreme Quad basically comes with more of like pinkish nude shades, and Ultimate Quad comes with more brown and peachy nude shades. The packaging is so cute and so travel friendly. I will be traveling very soon. I could not be happier with this product, you guys. So this is like a party for a person like me, क्योंकि आज भी मैंने जैसे दो शेड्स इसमें मिक्स किए हैं. मैं शेड नेम्स यहाँ पे डाल दूंगी. And I just love the way this has turned out. You can mix and match, or you can just wear these shades on their own because they look so beautiful. And if you love nude lipstick shades like I do, then you will really like them. You get 4 shades each, so of course they are good for every day. But if you're traveling, or if like अभी wedding season है and आपको 2-3 shades different चाहिए, rather than carrying like bulky packaging of lipsticks, you can just carry this and you'll be good to go. I'm a big fan of the Kiro Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick formula. The formula is so comfortable and hydrating, and it does not dry out my chapped lips. Also, it is super long lasting and has an intense color payoff. Would highly recommend you guys to check out these products. I'm actually traveling today. I'm going to Mumbai and I'm keeping Ultimate Quad in my pouch. I will leave a link in the description box below. I will also tag it. Check them out. They're amazing products, and for the exact shades and the names, click on the link. You will find all the information. I've heard so much about Daiso, and I know that it's very popular in Korea. So Daiso is a Japanese franchise and they have stores in a lot of Asian countries, especially I don't know कि globally और कितना है. And Japan में इसका concept था कि 100 yen shop, कि सब कुछ 100 yen का मिलेगा या फिर 100 yen से start होगा. It's a lot like Miniso, but आपको Miniso से ज़्यादा useful चीज़ें मिलेगी Daiso में, and बहुत ही cute Japanese inspired चीज़ें हैं. Apparently वहाँ पे खाना भी मिलता है, but मैंने तो जो Daiso store में मैं गई थी वहाँ पे मुझे नहीं दिखा था कोई भी ऐसे खाने का product. My sister and Rohit, who is my brother-in-law, हम सब साथ में गए थे, and they were like, this is kind of a scam, क्योंकि वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है everything for 99 rupees. So वहाँ पे 99 रुपीज का एवरीथिंग तो नहीं है. इट्स चीप, बट जैसे मुझे अंकिता कह रही थी कि क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट में इससे भी ज्यादा सस्ता मिलता है, बट अगेन क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट यहाँ पे नहीं है. सो मेरे लिए ये ज्यादा कन्वीनियंट रहेगा, है ना. 99 रुपीज का बहुत ही कम सामान था, लाइक बेयरली कुछ ऑप्शंस. ऑनेस्टली आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग टू बी फॉर 99 रुपीज. लाइक आई न्यू कि एक तो निकनैक वाली चीजें ही होगी 99 रुपीज की. सो आई डिड नॉट रियली हैव दैट 99 वाला एक्सपेक्टेशन, बट आई डू अग्री दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू पुट अप बोर्ड्स सेइंग एवरीथिंग फॉर 99, देन यू शुड हैव एटलीस्ट like 10-15 products for 99, and वो तो definitely नहीं था. And that is why I think a better marketing and a more honest marketing would be कि starting at 99. You know, that is how we also do our hauls ना, कि अगर हमारे पास 2 product है या फिर एक भी product है जो एक certain price range का है, so we say it starts at this price, not like the entire haul is of this price, not that every single item in the haul is of this price. मैंने अभी check किया है, so यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि Daiso was founded as a 100 yen store, which is about 67 cents in the US. Its product in the US stores are mainly for $1.75. इंडिया में तो definitely $1.75 है तो महंगा ही है. It's not a 100 rupees का market. Can you imagine if like it was a 100 rupees का market? It would be so lit. But anyway, I did get some things and they are very useful as well as very cute and different that I did not have. And मैंने mostly ना घर के लिए सामान लिया है, because when you are an adult you get a lot of happiness and you get a kick out of buying crockery and organization stuff and just, you know, home stuff. Just makes you feel very happy. Okay, let's start with all the products that I got. The first one is this pair of scissors, and I know such a random thing, but I really needed this. मैं हमेशा अपना मम्मा का लेती रहती हूँ and it just becomes so inconvenient. I know we live in the same house, but I just need my things in my room, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे 2 बजे उठ के अगर मुझे चाहिए होता कभी scissors, हाँ ऐसा हुआ है कि मुझे 2 बजे scissors की ज़रूरत पड़ी है, then I don't want to disturb my mom. So when I saw this, I was just like, it's about time, मतलब खरीद ही लो, अब क्या इतना इसमें procrastinate करना. I cannot find the price of this. This is so strange. Like I went through the receipt so many times and मुझे इसका प्राइस नहीं मिल रहा. So I'm going to move on to the next product and I got this. So these are basically oil blotting sheets for the face and ये मैं बहुत सालों से यूज कर रही हूँ, not from this brand of course, but मैंने बाकी brands के बहुत बार ट्राई किया है. And if you are like an oily curd like I am, so you can just use it to blot. तो ये जैसे एक मैंने शीट यहाँ से निकाल ली and I like the packaging. इसका पैकेजिंग मिनीसो के पैकेजिंग से तो काफ़ी बेटर है, क्योंकि मिनीसो के पैकेजिंग में आप एक निकालो तो सारे निकल जाते हैं. एंड ऐसे आपको बस अपने माथे पे एंड हर जगह पे इसको प्रेस करना है. I don't know if you guys can tell. हाँ दिख रहा है ना. So this is how it just absorbs all that oil and that layer of product from your skin, but it does not disturb your makeup and it is very good before touch up. Okay, so what a lot of people do is कि वो सीधा अपने मेकअप को टच अप कर लेंगे. लाइक अगर उनका फेस ऑयली हो रहा है, दे विल नॉट ब्लॉट देयर फेस, दे विल जस्ट इंस्टेंटली गो इन विद द पाउडर. एंड वो क्या करेगा, इट विल जस्ट मिक्स विद द प्रोडक्ट एंड क्लॉग योर पोर्स. सो इट्स ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट टू ब्लॉट योर फेस. चाहे आप टिश्यू पेपर से करो या फिर आप ऐसे ब्लॉटिंग शीट्स ले लो. आई वुड रिकमेंड दीज ब्लॉटिंग शीट्स बिकॉज दे डू अ मच बेटर जॉब देन योर रेगुलर टिश्यू पेपर. दिस इज डेफिनेटली अ मस्ट हैव प्रोडक्ट फॉर पीपल लाइक मी. ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई गॉट इज दिस एंड दिस वॉज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मैंने इसको पहले देखा, सो आई जस्ट अज्यूम्ड कि ये ना वो फेशियल गुआशा नहीं होता, वो वही है ये प्रोडक्ट. द फेशियल गुआशाज आर मेड ऑफ लाइक डिफरेंट स्टोन्स एंड क्रिस्टल्स. सो ये प्लास्टिक का है एंड देन आई नोटिस कि दिस इज लाइक अ बॉडी गुआशा. मुझे ना इसके ये रिजेस काफी अच्छे लगे एंड आई न्यू दैट दिस विल बी अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट फॉर body massages. And I am always in pain. I'm basically a 75-year-old in a 27-year-old body, so I have like constant back aches and ये ना instantly आपको इतना relief देता है. And shoulders वगैरह पे भी you can just help yourself or you can ask someone else to. It's not harsh on your body either. Let's see अगर ये 99 rupees का है कि नहीं. Okay, so the blotting sheets are for 99 rupees and this massager gua sha thing is also for 99 rupees. If I'm mistaken, मैं यहाँ पे text डाल दूँगी. The next thing that I got are earplugs. Finally, I got myself some earplugs. I don't know मैंने इतना टाइम अपने आप को क्यों टॉर्चर किया और मैंने नहीं खरीदा. I enjoy loud music but अपने earphones में. I do not like loud sounds in general and बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे commotion होता है, शोर शराबा होता है ना, मैं बहुत जल्दी overstimulate हो जाती हूँ. And also planes में कितना ज़्यादा काम आएगा ये, मैं हमेशा प्लेन में ना इरिटेट हो जाती हूँ. सो इट कम्स विद 2 earplugs इसमें एंड देन यू हैव 2 more. सो दैट इज़ अ गुड डील आई गेस. नॉर्मल आपके ये आई डोंट नो कौन से मटेरियल के है ना. दीज आर फॉर 169 रुपीज. लाइक ये 99 रुपीज का होना चाहिए था. लाइक व्हाट डू यू मीन दैट दीज आर फॉर 169 रुपीज. ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज गोइंग टू बी अ लाइफ चेंजिंग प्रोडक्ट फॉर मी एंड दिस इज cooling pads for headaches and fever. These last up to 8 hours. You get 5 sheets in them and बहुत ही ज़्यादा interesting concept है ये. So ऐसे ना individually pack होके आते हैं ये sheets and you can keep it in the fridge. Don't freeze it, just keep it in the fridge. and अगर आपको बहुत headaches होते हैं, migraine होता है आपको या फिर you know बुखार के टाइम पे, just like put it on your forehead or your neck and stuff and it will really relieve that pain. The theme here is just finding products for my joint aches and my body pain. and मैंने Japanese dramas में ना देखे है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा heating pads and cooling pads use करते हैं. so I was just like I need to try this and I hope that this works. I do get a lot of headaches as well, so I hope that this works well for me. so this is from a brand called House and this is a makeup sponge value pack 10 pieces. ये तो आपको इंडिया में Amazon पे बहुत easily मिल जाएंगे, but क्योंकि मेरे सामने मैंने देखा तो मैंने तब खरीद लिया. I've been meaning to get this for a while again. इनका shape कुछ ऐसा है and I really wanted to like try these out. I've been into like sponges and puffs and I've seen again a lot of people do their makeup and set their under eyes with sponges and puffs. so yeah, I wanted to try this out as well. इसमें 10 pieces है, so it's I know it's going to just last me a lifetime. This is for 259 rupees. now I don't know if it's like too expensive or not. इसका मटेरियल तो काफ़ी अच्छा है. like मेरे पास एक दो sponges है, उनका मटेरियल मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. इसका मटेरियल उससे तो थोड़ा बेटर है ही. okay, next I got these. so these are just your sticky notes. But these are the 7 film sticky notes and this is for 99 rupees. We have a winner here and इसमें इतने सारे ये colors है. very very beautiful, very very handy dandy. I started reading again and I want to make my life more organized. so मैंने planners वगैरह में जो मैं लिखती हूँ ना, so I've decided to use these and I also got like post-its and stuff just so that I remember to do things and also to just keep me in check about my deadlines. I'm not good with any of that stuff. I know it's like high time and maybe I should get a personal assistant, but at the same time I don't want to depend on a personal assistant. I just want to be a little more organized on my own before I get someone else. I got a pack of 5 spoons and actually मम्मी ने कहा कि मैं गलत चीज़ ले आई क्योंकि मुझे लाना चाहिए था फोक, पर फोक मुझे अच्छे वाले नहीं मिले, तो मैं स्पून्स ले आई क्योंकि लिटरली आई डोंट नो अगर आप लोग इससे रिलेट करते हो कि नहीं, पर वी नेवर हैव इनफ स्पून्स एंड फोर्क्स. लाइक हमेशा पता नहीं कहाँ चले जाते हैं. लिटरली ऐसा लगता है दैट दे जस्ट वैनिश इन थिन एयर. आई डोंट नो व्हाट द सॉसरी इज, बट स्पून्स ना जितने भी ले लो 2 महीने बाद आई एम जस्ट लाइक घर में स्पून्स ही नहीं है. लाइक 2 स्पून्स बचे हैं तो बाकी के कहाँ गए. सो and these are for 289 for 5 spoons. I think that is like a pretty decent deal and काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी के भी है, बहुत ऐसे पतले नहीं है. So yeah, this is a pretty good deal. Okay, we got the strainer because अंकिता ने दिवाली पे रंगोली बनाने के लिए हमारा पुराना strainer खराब कर दिया. So we got this strainer and the strainer is for 419 rupees. This is for 419 rupees. Then I got this bottle opener. This is a stainless steel bottle opener. This is what it looks like. Next, a very useful thing that I got is this. Look at that. That is so cute. It has a spoon, it has chopsticks and it also has a fork. It's a cutlery set for kids, I guess, school के लिए. But this will be so useful for traveling. I have a lot of travel plans and I cannot tell you the amount of times I tell myself I wish I had cutlery with me जो मैं reuse कर सकती. Because a lot of times you don't want to touch your food, your hands are dirty but you want to eat something. And जब next time ये ऐसा situation आएगा, I'll be like, wait a minute, I have my cutlery set with me. And I really like कि ये ना steel का है because then you can eat anything and everything. And the packaging is so cute, you guys. Everything is so pink and cute. And this is for 329 rupees. Definitely worth it. I think one time purchase है ये. And ना इसका weight भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, so you can easily carry it with you when you're traveling or in general also like for office and stuff. The next thing I got is this. This is a garlic crusher. I've wanted this for a long time. मुझे garlic बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है खाने पीने में खाने में. I've always seen like people use this in like cooking videos and cooking shows. So मैं बहुत intrigued थी and that is why I got this. This is for 719 rupees. I don't know, I'm not gonna say anything now. अब तो मैंने खरीद ही लिया है. So yeah, like one thing I can say is इसका quality बहुत अच्छा है. It can actually like be used as a weapon also. Nice, I like it. I got a frying pan. This is what it looks like. It is so small and cute and I got this to make pancakes for myself and also eggs fry करने के लिए. ऐसे ना छोटे वाले में ना बहुत अच्छे से आपका scrambled egg and sunny side up बन जाएगा without it like fallowing everywhere. मुझे बहुत ही irritation होती है जब वो होता है. And this is like the perfect pancake size. This is for 679 rupees and this is the non-stick thing. And ये induction पे भी use हो सकता है. I got the cutest crockery, you guys. And ये तो मैं देख के flat हो गई. So I got a set of 4 bowls. These are individually priced and this is what it looks like. So the first bowl is this and इसके ऊपर आप देख रहे हो ये ना इसका जो rim है it is uneven. I really like the uneven rim and I also really like the little dainty flower design inside. And these 4 bowls I got for 796 rupees. To be honest, इनका quality and जो finishing है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है and also like the design and everything. So I'm really happy that I got them. उसके बाद I got these bowls, hexagon bowls, and these are priced at 189 rupees each. Again, I think crockery is like very decently priced. It's not like बहुत expensive भी and you will get इतने सुंदर सुंदर designs ना. मतलब मेरा तो बहुत कुछ लेने का मन था but I was like no, just take things that you know सही में आप utilize करोगे घर में जाके. Okay, the last thing that I got, it is the best thing ever. Okay, मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ and I can't believe I found this. ये ना last एक पड़ा हुआ था and the moment I saw it I was just like this is meant to be. I need this. I got this bowl. This is not like any bowl. Look at that, you guys. I am using it as a trinket bowl. So मैंने अपना jewelry वगैरह इसमें डाल दिया है. But this is the design, you guys. Like look at that. Look at that. कितना क्यूट है ये. एक लास्ट ही बचा हुआ था एंड इसमें तो चौंकी कैट भी है. I just genuinely looking at this made me so happy and I immediately knew कि I'm going to put my earrings in it. Actually, in fact, I was looking for something जिसमें मैं अपने earrings वगैरह डालूँ क्योंकि मैं अपने ना टेबल में रखना चाहती हूँ वो जो डे टू डे वाली चीज़ें होती है. So when I found this, I was like, you know what? I don't need any fancy organizer. I'm going to keep it in this bowl only. So yeah, these are like my day to day वाला stuff, my necklace and my earrings, and I just love this so much. This is for 249 rupees. थोड़ा expensive है but I have no regrets. I am very happy that I got this. And yeah, that is it. That is my Daiso review and haul. And I आई वुड से दैट यू डोंट रियली नीड टू गो देयर एंड बाय समथिंग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर आपको कुछ लाइक पर्टिकुलरली अच्छा लग रहा है तभी जाके आप लेना. द स्टोर इज नथिंग स्पेशल बट इट हैज सम Japanese inspired things, so if you're into that maybe you can look into it, and that is about it. One thing for sure, everything is not for 99, so keep that in mind. I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.